You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all the name of this beautiful city in Massachusetts, next to Peabody, Len, Marblehead, Beverly. It's the big city in the middle of those, pronounced locally as Salem, so it's not Salem. It comes from Hebrew, the Hebrew word for peace, shalom, but the local pronunciation of the city in Massachusetts, I believe there's one in Oregon as well, Salem. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.